For today's video, I'm going to be working on two walls in this space, and I'll be making a very simple design with a little bit of glam. This wall here is going to be for the TV area, and I'm going to be starting off by using a wallpaper on two sides of this wall, and then the TV will be in the middle. I chose this color of wallpaper because of the sofa that's presently there. I'm using wallpaper glue to attach the wallpaper to the wall. I used wallpaper on two sides of the wall and left the middle that I will be covering with paint that is a shade darker than what I have on the wall right now. I'll be mounting shelves where I have the wallpaper. And because the wall is not strong enough, I'm going to have to drill a hole and then use anchors to mount the shelves. I'm going to have something right here at the bottom, and then I'll mount a TV above it. For the other wall besides it, I'm going to be using the same paint that I used in between the wallpaper. I needed the color to be slightly darker than what's on the wall right now, and this is perfect. I'll be using wooden planks that's meant for the floor to decorate the wall. And these come in different colors, and I picked this color because it's close to what I just painted the wall with. And all I'm doing here is using a plank to give me the right spacing in between each and every one of the planks for my design. I'm going to add a little bit of glam to this by starting off with lattices that you can get from any home improvement store, and then covering it up with mirror reflective paper that has been cut to small strips. To complement the mirror reflective paper, I'm going to be using metallic decorative plates that I got from IKEA on the wall. I was going to have it mounted like this, which will really be pretty, but I decided to just make it easier for myself and mount it this way. And I'm using command strips to mount this on the wall. Going back to the wall that's besides it, above the TV, I decided to add little decorative items that my friend got already, and then I decorated the shelves with more IKEA items. Here's a before and after of the space. At first, I was just gonna go with the wooden planks on the wall, but then adding the strips with a mirror reflective paper made the place pop even more, and the monochromatic theme on both walls complement each other. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.